You are staring at a screen right now, finger hovering over a buy button, sweating because the price for that in-game currency is just a little too good to be true. The logical part of your brain is screaming that a deal this cheap is a digital bear trap. Yet, the gamer side of you desperately needs those premium pulls for your favorite anime role-playing game. You want that new character. You want those shiny weapon upgrades. And then you stumble upon a third-party marketplace called Lootbargg. It promises fast recharges and smooth checkouts specifically built for players trying to save a few bucks. The site looks incredibly clean. The game categories are sharply defined. The checkout process feels exactly like the official stores you already trust. A lot of players actually report instant deliveries and successful purchases, which makes the whole operation seem entirely safe. But here's the brutal reality of unofficial game marketplaces. Lootbar operates as an unauthorized partner for many major titles. That means every single purchase goes through a third-party system, bypassing the actual game developers. When you bypass the developers, you inherently introduce serious risk to your precious gaming account. We're talking about potential account bans, stripped currency, and thousands of hours of grinding vanishing into the digital void. Some users have reported frustrating delivery delays and surprisingly limited buyer protection when things go sideways. Even more concerning, these platforms sometimes demand your actual account details or highly personal verification info to complete a simple top-up. Handing over your login credentials to a random marketplace is the digital equivalent of giving a stranger your house keys because they promised to leave a sandwich in your fridge. It might work out fine, but the anxiety is simply not worth the discount. So, is this platform a complete scam? Not exactly. It is not a fake website designed purely to steal your credit card and vanish into the night. Real people do receive their digital goods. View it less like a legitimate retail store, and more like buying a watch out of a trunk in a dark alley. The watch might tick perfectly fine today, but if it breaks tomorrow, you have absolutely zero warranty and the seller is long gone. For tiny, insignificant purchases, it might be an acceptable gamble. However, you should never bet your primary high-level gaming account on an unofficial transaction. If you want absolute ironclad safety, you have to stick with the official in-game stores. The few dollars you save on a discounted top-up will never cover the sheer heartbreak of losing a maxed-out character roster. If you insist on living dangerously and trying third-party sites, always start with the absolute smallest transaction possible. Test the waters carefully. Protect your primary data at all costs. Stay smart with your digital wallet. Guard your countless hours of progression. And always question a deal that feels just a little too generous.